Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are starting mathematics of class 10. So the very first chapter of class 10 mathematics, that is quadratic equation. So let us define what is quadratic equation. The equation of second degree is called quadratic equation. An equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. You must have to know first what is quadratic equation. So the definition for the quadratic equation is an equation of degree 2. An equation of degree 2. What is degree? X square plus 4x is equals to 0. The highest power is known as degree. Here the highest power is, there is 1, here is 2. So the highest power is degree. Here the highest power is 2. So this is quadratic equation. An equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Repeat it. An equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. For example, you are given this one, 2x square plus 5x plus 8 is equals to 0. So the highest power is 2 here. So this is quadratic equation. Got it? Okay. Let me clear the screen. Now, the word quadratic comes from Latin square. Quadratic means square. Square means 2. Since the highest power of the unknown, unknown means variable. The highest power of the variable that appears in the equation is square. This is typical definition of the quadratic equation. The word quadratic comes from, this word quadratic comes from Latin, which means square. So quadratic equation has highest power, which will be square. By square mean 2. So that equation in which the highest power is 2 is called quadratic equation. Okay. Now there is an example, 2x square minus 3x plus 7. So this is an example of quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. So this is the quadratic equation. An equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Got it? Okay. Now let's move. Standard form of the quadratic equation. By standard form, we mean an equation, the quadratic equation must be of the form. Quadratic equation must be of the form. We have to compare all the forms with this. So here ax square bx plus c is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, but general quadratic equation. This is sometimes known as standard form of the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation which we compare with the other equation, and then we can decide this is quadratic or not. Here in this equation, x will be variable, while this A, B, and C, these are known as constants. But remember, this A never be 0. If this A becomes 0, so this equation will vanish, this term will vanish. So the rest of the equation is not a quadratic because the highest power must be 2. When you replace this A by 0, so this as a whole, this term will be vanished. This will finish. You will get only this term. So this is not quadratic. So remember, for a quadratic equation, this should never be 0. Okay. So that is the standard form of the quadratic equation. These are the examples, general examples. Sorry, these are the specific examples for the quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation because by comparing here for A we are having 5, for B there is 6, and C is equals to 2. X square is here, they are same, X here and they are same, and the third one has no variable. So that's why this is complete quadratic equation. Okay, by comparing this and this, these two by comparison, we got that these are complete. This is a complete quadratic equation. Okay, this one is a complete quadratic equation. Okay, is there any incomplete? Yes, because when we compare this equation with that, so the highest power here is 2, there is 2. Okay, so this is quadratic, but now check it is complete or not. So the first term and the first term, square term is there and here, okay. The constant term here and there, okay. But this term is missing here. So this is a quadratic equation, but incomplete. Incomplete quadratic equation. Still, this is a quadratic. If someone asks you, this is quadratic or not, so it is quadratic. Okay. So this was the basic idea of the quadratic equation. I think you will be able to know the given question is the given equation is quadratic or not. Okay. Uh, uh, I think it's enough for today. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you.